So here I am taking a pickle class in India, learning how to make homemade pickles. This is a lemon, sweet and sour and chili pickle. Really good for you because it's fermented lemons. This is a vegetable pickle of carrots and cauliflower and garlic and chilies and some onions. Again, very good for you because it's fermented, good for your gut. And here is a carrot pickle, also made with coconut palm sugar and carrots. So these three pickles are all really good for you. They're amazing and good for your gut, and yeah, they're yummy with anything. And you can adjust the spice level, the sweet level to what you really like, and they last a very long time. After they're refrigerated, they're left out to ferment for a couple of days, and then they are kept in the refrigerator. So here we go. We can take a class in pickle making, and it's really simple, and it's amazing how something so tasty can be so simple to make. So here we're adding some more red chili powder because the person who is teaching me is the taste tester. I'm the student today, and I'm really enjoying this. It's a new experience for me to learn foods from my own tradition where I grew up, and to learn how to make things that I grew up eating. And because I left this country very young, I did not know how to make this, but I've come back to learn this and catch up with my roots again. So here we are with a beautiful pickle mix. Look at the colors. Wow. I can't wait to eat this. I'm already I'm just waiting to eat this, and it is amazing. So I wish you guys could taste this, and we can do some YouTube videos. We can do a class in this. Go to our link at Wannabe Chef and sign up for classes in, something like this or other classes, but also some amazing pickle making classes.